meteorologist Ilya Neyman joining me on set, and this is so pre-pandemic to have you up here.
Oh, it's great. I love it. Let's get back to those pre-pandemic days,
exactly.
Right? And speaking of SpaceX, hopefully there'll be nice weather for that launch. And it's always interesting to see those rockets blast off, whether it's during the day. Once I saw that actually a few months back, or at night, when you've got that trail going up, and then you can see all the awesome mechanics involved with that. So the mechanics of our weather, there's a lot of wind because of the pressure gradient, and the temperature is starting to descend or to fall inland, and that's going to create a little bit more of a pressure push. It's going to cause the winds to strengthen along the south coast tonight. This is why we've got a wind advisory issued by the National Weather Service until tomorrow morning, after which it'll expire and more winds will come in from the northwest tomorrow afternoon. They'll be strong, they'll be gusty, but hopefully they'll be a little bit weaker than we had them today, although it looks like some of them could still be approaching those levels. So we're having to keep a close eye on that, with the humidity being so low and the winds being so high. Another day of fire danger. Be on the lookout for that. Otherwise, we've got this low pressure that's part of the reason for all the winds is going to be moving on out, and a high pressure that's helping to push it out is going to be moving on in, and that's going to lead to a nice warm up in store for later on this week into the weekend. Sunny skies, warmer temperatures, and the heat looks like it'll peak towards Saturday. And that cold air that's been in place helping to get those winds will start to move on out, and with that the winds will probably weaken and get less and less as the temperature gets more and more. So by the time Friday and Saturday roll around, I think there'll be one more burst of stronger winds Friday morning out of the north and northeast, and then it'll be a little bit smoother sailing from that point on. Tonight's lows are going to be quite chilly indeed, where the winds are weak, possibly getting into the 30s and maybe some frost in inland valleys. Tomorrow's highs in the mid to upper 70s from Paso Robles to San Luis Obispo. Orcutt, even you'll be getting into the low 70-degree territory by tomorrow afternoon. Gaviota, possibly low to mid 70s after a cool start to the day at 43. And Santa Barbara looks like it will be a very fine Thursday, close to, if not exceeding, 80 degrees up and down the south coast, with the breezes getting a little bit less than they were today and possibly picking up again tomorrow afternoon. How about Ventura? What does your weather look like tonight? In the 40s, tomorrow highs in the 70s, a little bit of an easterly northeasterly push in the morning, possibly becoming westerly by the afternoon. Your 7-day forecast: Santa Maria, warmer and breezy, pleasant Friday, Saturday possibly the warmest day of the next 7, cooling back down again Sunday into Monday. Lompoc, it'll be windy there tomorrow and as well as Friday morning, but then after that, sun comes in and the wind goes out, possibly getting warmest on Saturday. And then look at that, temperatures cool down and fog rolls in and back to normal for Lompoc. Santa Ynez looks like a warm to hot one, close to 90 by Saturday. Pleasant weather continues into Sunday with quieter conditions prevailing into early next week. San Luis Obispo looks like a fine 7-day forecast for you. Warmest day once again on Saturday, just like our neighbors to the up and down the coast. 75 for Sunday. 5 cities cooler at the coast, becoming warmer Friday and Saturday, and looks like a pleasant day or two for Saturday and Sunday. And Santa Barbara looks like a fine forecast indeed. Temperatures warming into the 80s by Friday and possibly staying there into Saturday, cooling into Sunday. All the best to you guys tonight. Have a good one.